Hello everyone! This is me again. Welcome to my vlog. Hello everyone! For today's video, I'm gonna do unboxing of Corey's gift. This is a gift from my uncle from Qatar. So, I'm gonna open this for him. So, don't worry. He asked me to video it. And he's over there at the side. So, let's unbox. There. It's from Qatar. That's why it's different letters. I don't know how you read it. But it's heavy. It's for Corey. So, let's see. Oh, there's nothing. There's nothing here. But this is for my uncle and my aunt from Qatar. They just arrived, so let's open. Babe, I'm gonna open na. Let's pull this together. Here. Oh no. Jenny. It's nice packaging. Okay, I can smell it. It smells good. So I'm gonna remove the wrapper na. He doesn't care naman about the wrapper. So there, let's open. So my uncle knows that Corey's into perfumes. Cologne for men. Ay. He can see this, don't worry guys. I have a permission from him to open. Babe, can you say hi? They won't even see you, but just say hi.
Download and play today. Hello everyone. Hope you're watching at the song.
So here's it's Kenneth Cole. There, it's a perfume for men, and it says Mankind Hero. It's toilet spray too. Not toilet spray, but I mean like a perfume. So, should I unbox? I'm gonna show. Oh, he gave me permission. I'm gonna, destroy this packaging. Shout out to my uncle, who probably is watching this. So there. It's cute. And it's 100 ml. So let's open. Oh, it's cute, huh? How do you open this ba? You pull it out from the box. It's nice. It's a nice black bottle, and there's leather at the side. There's leather from bottom to top at the side, and it's I don't know what you call this, but there's that. And then the cap is also metal and has leather around. So let's open. It's magnetized too. There. There. It's nice. My fingerprints. Oh no. I'm so sorry. This is Corey. I'm gonna smell this one.
You spray it to see the atomizer.
Yeah.
Show them the atomizer on it.
It's very fine, and it's it smells like manly talaga. So it smells good. Thank you, Tito Randy and Tita Kari.
Thank you so much.
There. So
and thank you to everyone watching.
Yeah. So this is Kari's. I'm gonna put it back because he will want to have it on the box. So this is the Mankind Hero, and it smells good. I like the smell. Oh no, I like the smell. But thank you for watching. Bye bye guys.